beginning, we need to define and know the states of matter and different states of matter as we discussed before. So let's start. So the or KPI 1, which is 17.1, know the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. So there are 3 states of matter, draw lines, and each line conducting a state of matter. So we need to conduct draw lines between the state of matter and respective diagram for it, okay? So if we looked at the pictures that we have, we know that solids are tightly packed and uniformly. So this one will be with this one. The liquid, they have some bonds close to each other, but they have some spaces and ability to move freely. So this one, gas has the ability to move freely everywhere without any restrictions. The statements below are about particles in gas. Take 3 to show. Take 3, okay? Pay attention to questions. Which statement is correct? We know that particles are moved freely. Particles are in regular repeating pattern. No, they are roaming freely. The particles are much further apart than they are on solids, of course. The particles vibrate about fixed positions. No, particles expand when they are heated. No, and particles move faster when they are heated. Exactly, they do not expand, they move faster, okay? State 2 ways in which molecule structure of a liquid is different than the solid. So first of all, liquid molecules are not in fixed positions, right? Or you can say they can move, slide by each other, okay? We can also have or add number 2, random arrangements for the molecule. Okay, maybe you can add they are slightly further apart. Anything it will work. Okay, so which change of state? As you can see, this is gas, and we transformed it into liquid. So which one is this one? Gas to liquid, which is A. Which change is condensation? We know that condensation is moving from gas to liquid, okay? So which one is moving from gas to liquid, which is D? The diagram shows 4 labeled changes of states, liquid, gas, and solid, which change need an energy input. So energy input means that we need to heat. Yani, we are talking about moving from solid to liquid, or moving from liquid to gas. So we have here 2 changes, either from P or Q, and together. So it is number A. Here we have the different types of matter: solid, liquid, gas, ice, liquid water, and steam. Each diagram shows a change of state. Add the correct label. Okay, sure. So here we have liquid moving to gas, so it is evaporating or boiling. Here we have liquid turning into solid, so it is freezing or solidification. Here we have solid turning into liquid, which is melting. Okay. So lastly, here we need to fill in the blanks. The change from solid to liquid, it is melting. Change from liquid to gas, it is evaporating. And the change from liquid to solid, we call it freezing. And finally, from gas to liquid, it is condensation. And now we can say we finished key concept 17 as well. Thank you.